What's up, everybody on YouTube? Justin here, Side Hustle Pro. I just want to share with you sort of how I figure my amount of profit on eBay. Typically, you know, if you buy something for $10 and you say, hey, I got this for 10 bucks, I sold it for 20, you're going to think, nice, I made 10 bucks. Well, that doesn't work when you sell on online platforms because they have to get their fees and stuff like that. So I, for one, am willing to pay the fees to eBay and PayPal so that I can get, you know, what I'm selling seen by tons of people, right? I'm just going to talk about eBay specifically today because, well, I mean, you could talk about all the fees on all the different platforms, but, I mean, that would be a whole video in itself. So mainly I sell on eBay. Used to sell a lot on Amazon. Used to do a lot of retail arbitrage and books on Amazon. Amazon has changed so much that I just haven't kept up, and every time I go back to restart it, it seems like it's less and less profit. Like I think last time, I think eBay took almost like 60%, right? FBA. eBay takes around between PayPal and eBay around 13%, I think. But then you do have to store it and ship it and all that kind of stuff yourself. Anyway, let's just go. I'm just going to take you through. I'm going to give you one example of when I'm in a store. How I would look something up, figure out the price of it, and then how I would figure out my profit. All right, so let's just take this shoe, right? This is a Nike golf shoe, okay? This is new. This came from Burlington. I picked up a few of these. Actually, I think I picked up a size 11 the other day, and I just picked up 2 size 8s. Here's the price I paid for it, $24.99. Cleats are normally like $16.99, but I guess maybe because it's like golf season or whatever, they're $24.99, or maybe they're just on to us, you know? I don't know. Anyway, $24.99, and I'll just go through how sort of I search specifically Nikes and other shoes. You're gonna want to get the eBay app on your phone. You go to the eBay app, and you type in your item, right? So if it's a shoe or something with like a barcode or whatever, then it's going to be easy to look up. Although the barcode scanner on eBay, I get hardly anything back. Most of the times, if you just scan the barcode, I'm not going to get anything back, or that's what happens to me anyway. So you type in the item, you know. In this case, it's a Nike shoe, so a lot of shoes have codes on them, and Nike is one of them. If you look in the tag, it's hard to see in the tag in here, but if you look in the tag, there's a 6-digit number and then a 3-digit number. The 6-digit number is the style code, and the 3-digit number is the colorway. All right, so I've already got this pulled in. I'm in the eBay app. I just type in Nike 849971, and I put in the color code for 100. Let's see if I can get you guys to see this here. All right, so all right, if I hold it at an angle there, all right, there we go. So you pull that up, and this is the current. See, 99.99. What is that? 89.99, 89.99, 89.99. Those are all the current, right? And those are all new. 99.99. Okay, so that's pretty good. So you figure 25, and a lot of these people are selling it for 100. That's 99. That's basically 100. The first one that pops up is $100 plus $8 shipping, and then it's like 90 plus $10 shipping, 90 plus free shipping, 90 plus $10 shipping, 89, 100 plus free shipping. You know, and so between 90 and $100 is seemingly what it's going for. And then you can filter this. You can go to the filter and go to solds, and then condition, and we're going to look at the, see if I can bring this up. We're going to look at, this is horrible. We're going to look at the new condition, and if you see where, well, I don't know if you can see it or not. If you see where it says new, there we go, new condition, 101 have sold. Now again, that's just 101 that have sold with this, with the words that I typed in. So the name of the shoe is Lunar Control Vapor Golf shoes, right? Lunar Control Vapor, Nike Lunar Control Vapor Golf. So if I would type in like Nike Lunar Control Vapor Golf white, it may come up with more because there may be sellers who did not put that that code in for the shoe. So, but anyway, what was it? 101 have sold like this, and this is all we need for our purposes. And you can see the sold prices, right? $84.99, $70.99. That one sold for $100, $89.95. $79.95. Oh, it's blacking out, right? What else we got? best offer from 100 was at like 86.99, something like that. 89.99 plus shipping. So between 80 and $100. I'll probably list mine for 90 or 85. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I want to get the money back pretty quick, so I'll probably list it for 80 or 85, right? Maybe 90. I'll do a little bit more research. But anyway, point being, you find that shoe, you look it up, that's a pretty good deal, right? 25 bucks, you're gonna sell it for between, let's just say you're gonna sell it for, let's lowball it and say we're gonna sell it for 80, right? I think we could probably get 90 out of it, no problem. But let's just do 80, right? Because I already said 80, and I don't want to back out on it. So let's just do 80. Okay. So then there's a lot of different programs you can use, apps and so forth, to figure out the eBay fees and what the total cost is going to be, and then the percentage and stuff like that. What I do is I just go to my Safari. I have an iPhone. I just go to my Safari, but you can go to Google or whatever, and then I have saved to like my favorites, like starred. It's called, see if you can see it, it's called finalfeecalc.com, finalfeecalc.com, and I just picked that up, and open that up, and then you can put in your sold price right here. So let's put in, what did I say, 80? Let's put in 80. Shipping charge, I'm going to leave that blank because I'm going to do free shipping. So shipping costs, I'm going to average it at about 10 bucks. Now it's going to cost me like probably about 8 to send anywhere on the East Coast, Midwest. It's going to be maybe like 13 to 14 if it goes out west somewhere. So keep that in mind. I'm just going to average it at about 10. Item cost 25, and then sales tax in my state is 7%. So what is that? 70, 140. We're just going to add $2, so we're going to say 27. And then I am an eBay store member, and I am a top-rated seller. All right. So then this is what it gives you, and this is what's nice here. It gives you the total, right? Your eBay fees $6.59, PayPal $2.62. So total profit, if I sell them for 80, is $33.79, right? So spend, what'd you say? Spend 27, and then you make like 34. Now, if we sold these for 90, the price would change, and we'd make 42.68. Right, so that's pretty good, right? And again, if it goes, and that's at a $10 shipping. Like if it goes to Cali or something like that, Arizona, Washington, somewhere out in the West, then that's going to cost me more because I live in Ohio, so I live like in the Midwest, and so maybe make 35 to 40 bucks. So anyway, that's a helpful app. The eBay app is needed, and then there are other apps, but I use the Final Fee Calc just because I've been using it, and learning curves on other stuff or whatever. There's no reason to change it if it works for me. So that is how you can see if something is worth a profit and how much. Because you would think, oh, I spend 25 and I sell it for 80 bucks. And so I'm going to make, what, 55? Well, not after fees and shipping and all that kind of stuff, right? You're probably going to make like, between 30 and 40, 35, 45, something like that. Sell it for 80 or 90. So always be careful and double check if you're not sure. Now, I mean, it's pretty much a no-brainer, though. If you see something for 25 and you can sell it for 100, you're going to make a profit, right? That's not that big of a deal. But what about if you see something for 25 and it only sells for 50, right? Let's bring that up real quick. So go back in here into Final Fee Calc, and so let's just say we get a shoe for the same price. Say it's $24.99 after tax. Say we'll just do 27. Okay, $10 shipping. Then you're going to make $7.13. Not as exciting, right? So rule of thumb is you want to at least double and a half your money, right? So if you sell it, if you buy it for 25, you want to sell it for like 65, right? And that's sort of a rule of thumb, because then you make 20, right? You almost double your money, right? So especially if you're offering free shipping, if you're buying something and then just selling it for 2 times the amount, 25, you sell it for 50. A lot of times it's not going to work out for you, unless you sell it locally or something like that. So that's just something to be aware of. And that's just a way to check it. And so I don't check every item when I'm out, you know, thrifting or retail arbitrage or whatever, because I mean, I know, you know, you do it long enough, you know, some things are decent. Like I already went through the trouble of at another store last week looking these up, so when I saw them, you know, I knew they were worth picking up, right? I already knew that. Okay, and so you see things that you know are worth something, and then you pick them up, and it's no big deal. It goes a lot smoother. So the more experience you get, the less you're going to have to sit there and physically look everything up, right? So anyway, though, get in the habit of doing that, looking it up, finding out how much it is, seeing what the profit is, and then that way you can be for sure, you know, if it's a good buy or not. There's a lot of other things that go into that, like is it a quick seller, is it a low seller? Like if I spend 25 and I'm going to make 10, but I'm going to sell it within the day, then, you know, let's do that. But if I'm going to have to sit on it for a month or so, or a couple months, then it's not really worth it, because you could have to drop the price. And then, you know, if I'm spending 30 to make 10, that's not what I want to do, especially if I'm only averaging, when I'm looking up how much I'm going to make, a $10 shipping cost. Because my luck, and this always happens, I'll be like, yes, 25 bucks, I'll sell it and make 10, not going to be a big deal, and then somebody in California buys it, and then I end up making 4, right? So just not what I want to do. Anyway, hope that was helpful, that you learned something. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Remember, keep on educating yourself, and keep on learning, and then keep on earning, you know, with that knowledge. So go out there and keep grinding, keep hustling, keep learning, and I'll catch you next time. Oh, and by the way, new Instagram, I'm going to link down in the bottom. I feel like an old man getting on Instagram. I was like, how do I do this? I'm like asking teenagers, like, just come here and tell me what to do. And so anyway, you follow that down below if you want to put the link in there. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.